What's up guys, we got another day at the shop. So today I'm going to be throwing in my Mishimoto Radiator. I got the fan shroud as well, and I got some actual parts to upgrade the cooling system, like a new coolant overflow reservoir. I got some new radiator hoses, but I have to do a little bit of modifications to them to get them to work, so let's put it in. Alright, so I got all my parts. I got a new coolant overflow, I got some new G+ lines, I got a relay, and 10 feet of, I think it's 5/16 hose, I don't remember, and then the actual radiator and the fan shroud, which I already put together. Alright, so I got everything unboxed. I'm going to start taking out the coolant overflow reservoir. I'm going to take out the radiator, the fan shroud. I got all the lines undone, and we have Evan creeping over here. Make it more awkward. And I'm just gonna pull everything out and then start throwing in all the new parts. Alright, so we got the radiator out. I'm going to start pulling off the clutch fan. I ended up just cutting off the automatic transmission lines with a razor blade, make life a little bit easier. I'm not going to use that. I'm going to use the part that says I'm not going to use that. Weird.
This is the repeated one too, so maybe he put a new fender on here.
Oh shit. Desperately.
Oh, I feel like I have frostbite on my finger. Like I can't. I didn't feel it at all before, and now it's just like.
We got a man down.
Were you recording?
Yeah, I was.
Oh.
Holy shit. Look how bad these belts are. Look at this one for the alternator.
How many belts do you have?
2.
It's like rusty.
Look how cracked they are. I need new ones.
Looks like you need some new belts there.
Thanks, Captain Obvious. My Jimmy's a
Get rid of your
fucking
fucking
mess right
frame filter.
It's because I had gas in my oil. Worst flooded
filter ever.
I have a Nissan one somewhere. I still have to change this. Ew, it's fucking disgusting down there. Alright, so I got the radiator out, I got the clutch fan off, I got the coolant overflow reservoir all set so it fits in and everything. I put some nylon lock washers on here. I broke one of the studs, but it shouldn't be too big of a deal. I need to replace both of these belts because they look like absolute shit. But I'm gonna clean up the core support and throw in the new radiator, wire in the fan. Got the radiator in.
Nice.
Yeah.
How
Alright.
did you possibly get that in that quick? Is everything like clean, not rusty?
Yeah, for the most part.
Yeah, it's not bad.
Yeah. So I got the radiator in. As you can see, some things don't actually line up. Like this upper mount is, or upper inlet, whatever, is on the wrong side. That's because this is actually an S13 SR20 radiator, which on the SR, the thermostat housing's right here, basically where the distributor is. And since it's an S14, where the mounts used to fit right here do not actually line up. They line up with this hole. So I'm just gonna make some aluminum brackets, steal these rubber washers off of it and pop them on, and we'll be good. So what I'm gonna do to solve this issue here is I have a pipe somewhere that will, I'll basically make a crossover pipe that will be solid. So it will run from here along the radiator and then curve into the thermostat housing. And then the bottom hose is on the right side that you probably can't see because it's dark. Nope, you can't see it. So that will fit perfectly. Like there's nothing that actually changes there. So I have this piece of, it's chrome plated brass, which it should be able to handle the heat. So I'm basically gonna run it across like this and tilt it down a tiny bit, and then just make a U to connect the two pieces. And then right here, just clamp them together. And then I got the coolant overflow reservoir. It's not actually mounted in completely, but it's good enough. So I'm gonna run a new hose that's gonna kind of tuck down in front of the radiator, run along the side, and then to the reservoir. And I'm probably not gonna get to actually wiring the fans tonight. It's getting kind of late, had a long day. So I'm just gonna get to finish mounting everything up. Overall, pretty good day. I didn't get as much done as I planned on it because I got a little bit wrapped up with some of the wiring stuff. All right, so overall, pretty good day. Oh my God, the fucking plow. All right, so overall, a pretty good day. I didn't get as much done as I planned on it. I got a little bit wrapped up. Oh my God, fuck this guy with the plow.
You can tell them.
What? That you crashed your car?
Yeah.
Okay. If he would stop with the plow, I'd be able to tell.
Yeah.
It's like he's doing it on purpose.
Like, excuse me.
Excuse me, I'm trying to record a video.
For the YouTubes.
All right, so overall, pretty good day. I didn't get as much done as I planned on it. Evan actually crashed his daily. It's snowing pretty badly here, and it just slipped at a stop sign and kind of understeered right into another car and actually when the police officer came to do it, he almost hit the same car. So I got a little bit wrapped up with the wiring here. I was trying to move a few things. So I'm trying to actually relocate the fuse box. I got rid of the cruise control, all that jazz. I moved some of the wiring under the fender. I'm gonna actually tuck it up on. I have coilovers coming in. I got the radiator basically mounted. The crossover pipe I bought is a little bit too big. I bought 1.5 inches. I know that these are 34 millimeters, which is kind of in between 1.25 inches, 1.5 inches. So I tried to go a little bit bigger, which was a little bit too big. So yeah, that's basically everything. I'm gonna hopefully finish all this up next time I come here, finish up the manual swap once it's a little bit warmer. And yeah, so like, comment, subscribe, let me know what you think of the videos, and bye.